bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the planes at, yeah. Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sour, let's consume.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it.
Yeah.
Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it.
Wait lang. Ano to, BTS? Ano nga sumibig? Ayun, humipak. Eto. Ay, ayun, pupunta ng Singapore yung isa. Gusto ko yun.
Ako maglalas.
Saan ka punta? Are you going to Singapore? Or Thailand? Vietnam?
Uy! Ayun sila ang ingay nila, guys.
Ayun na si Sir. Chanya's vlog takeover.
So they gave us like, what do you call this? Something to go, travel kit. So it has alcohol, liquid hand soap, and a lotion, and the name tag.
Hindi ka kita.
Name tag.
Yes.
Oh, they're giving us Jollibee burger steak now. Like, get your right now. So they gave us a breakfast. They gave me tapa and boiled egg.
And also a water.
A water. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. And a scrambled egg.
Pampanga. So that is the Total Station. Total Station, gas station, alright? Okay, so but gonna give you everybody only 15 minutes to get the bathroom. Okay, so and if you want to buy something, but please you need to For those who want to go to restroom, okay, no problem. If you don't want, you can stay inside the bus. Okay, thank you. Again, another 15 minutes. Okay, it's already 5 o'clock. Okay, so 5:50.
Hi guys! We're at San Simon as a, stopover.
Introduce your name.
Huh?
Introduce your name.
Her? He?
Your name.
My name? My name is Chania de la Cruz and this is Zachary.
Zachary.
Okay, so I know you're sleepy. Okay, so everybody kind of please raise your hands like this. 2 hands. Come on, everybody. Para magising ng konti. Everybody shake it. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Okay, nagising na.
Papalit siya, guys. Where are we going right now?
Actually, I don't know where we're going. I think we're gonna go to Puning. Try not to make a face while eating the sour candy.
Go. Hindi, ito bulok kinakain. Script. Masim.
Hi guys!
Ala, nakakamiss magkano.
Saan ba yan?
I don't know. Dami pa pala. Say hi.
Kita yung damit mo.
BTS. Wow.
Ano to?
Ah. Say hi.
Malamig ba, Vince? Good. Mas malamig?
Nag-ano kami? Pictures.
Ang init na ba?
Ay.
Kaya ko. Tangina ako mauuna mag-post yan.
Bahala, basta pag ako nag-picture. Kaya ang ganda, tignan mo. Ano? Pasan dito. Usap ka dito kasi. Usap ka dito. Usap ka dito. Yan.
Say hi.
Hi!
Luis. Yun na mo yun.
Amoy pa, baka dyan lang.
Bakit mapunta dito?
Kabang mo naman dito.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't.
Hiking pala to. Hiking. Ano?
Scripture.
Tangin na kasi. Ang ganda ng suot. Hi. Chanya.
Hello! Ayan, video mo si Zach dyan kay Kendall yan.
Ayun.
So, welcome to Pony Station.
Bagay sa'yo yung must eh.
As you can see, here's my land. Right there.
Vlog takeover by Chanya.
Hey! Next year tayo. Next year tayo kaya.
6'7". 6'7".
What's that? Hi.
Ito yun. Ito na yun.
Huy! Kasi kung malaki yan, edi naubos yan agad, sister. It's my food. I don't know what is that. This is Chanya's food and this is Zachary Lewis. Ayan na.
Yung adobo nila parang di adobo, no? Ano? Kyle? Yung adobo nila. Adobo. Matamis pa.
Parang top view.
Parang ano? Parang minudo niya. Sabi nito kayo muna ako pagkain ito ganun.
Kita ko.
Thank you.
Ano yung hagwa?
Thank you.
Ano meron?
Balance challenge.
Gusto mo parang kalay?
Oo nga. Fish fry, that's barbecue.
Bakit? Marami pang refill. Marami refill ng ice. Wow, this so good.
Yun ba yun? Ano? Nakatomboy. Wala yun, tomboy ka pa naman.
May mali ko sa order.
Dahil
Masabi ko tayo ice.
Dahil,
Wala.
hindi ka na.
Ang sabi mo lang, balance challenge.
Wala akong sinabi. Hoy, naka-record
Wala
ako.
ako.
Sige,
Sige, play mo.
play mo.
Ganda lang. Don't tell me sa ano, 4x4 chicken.
Gagi sa jeep. Bye guys. See you in heaven.
Gusto mo din?
Mas organized po tayo.
Tatawag
What's
na
number
sila.
melon, strawberries, guava.
Kasi yun, depends pero ano yun.
Oh, take over.
We're going outside and I'm really tired now. I wanna sleep so bad.
Tignan mo yung pag na-compile ko to. Tignan mo yung paano ko sa umpisa, paano ka sa dulo.
Inventory ko kung paano ako malawpan.
Oo. Ang init, Zachary Luis, Celeste.
Ay, naman tayo dyan.
Good afternoon po. Ace.
And we rarely go outside because it's really hot here in the city.
Pero naka hoodie.
Here's my lawn.
The hell is
I
that?
do golf here, but there's no holes yet.
Your host. Ay? So guys, this is the, I don't know, what is this? Napasok kami guys. Hello?
Inside the gym, you will also have an access for play the table tennis. Meron din po tayong lockers and shower rooms here. So, pag this is to bring your car, this is open 24 hours.
So guys, this is the gym. Pagod na yung mga anak ko kasi nanonood pa sila ng bed making. At gutom na po si Zachary Luis Celeste.
Ano sabi mo?
May amoy na. Sabi ni Sabrina, ito po, oh, sabi na ito may amoy daw po.
Ano sabi?
Strike na lines. So, yung guide namin,
So, anong ginagawa natin dito? We waiting for the elevator. No vlog take over.
So, pang ina guys, nagutom na kami.
Ayun, ikaw ay.
Actually. So, walang makikicard sa atin, ganun. Ayan o.
Sama na kami.
Sa taas ba yun? So, sino ang nantay natin?
Yung e-card.
Kung maglalakad mag-isa yung card.
So we're gonna eat na after the bed making. Hi guys, we're going to BGC. So guys, this is the room namin here. So, pagpasok, this is our room. This is me. And I'm with Zachary. Ito yung CR. It's the CR. Have a big mirror. And like that. Ayun na siya. Tapos, ito yung ano. Ay, ito pala. The typical ano na. Ano na. So, ito yung bed. Kasang roommate ko, si Luis. Tapos may TV. Tapos may lagay ng maleta. And this is may dalawa siya. Tapos ito yung view. Wala. It's giving walang view. Ayun lang. That's all. So, what's the wear for tomorrow is? Tignan mo kasi yung ano ko pants ko. It's giving pants.
Hindi ko ito parang outpack yun. Eh, bago yun ano?
This is
Solution?
Di na yan.